Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize NACS adapter access through NACS-compatible accounts. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize NACS adapter access, start by ensuring you have a NACS-compatible account ready. Log into your NACS-compatible account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located in the main menu. Look for the Adapter Access section within the Settings menu. Click on Authorize New Adapter to begin the authorization process. In the authorization prompt, enter the unique identifier for your NACS adapter. Make sure to check that the identifier you entered matches the one provided with your adapter. Next, read through the terms and conditions related to adapter access. After reviewing, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to proceed with the authorization. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your adapter access is in process. Now, locate your email inbox for a confirmation email related to adapter access. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. After clicking the link, you will be redirected back to your account settings. You will see a message confirming that your NACS adapter is now authorized for access. If necessary, configure any additional settings required for your adapter's operation. You can now seamlessly connect your NACS adapter to your system and start using it. Make sure to monitor the connection status periodically to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.